So, is a steam boiler. Okay. And what we gotta do is you see this? Look, that's the water level. All right. This is the low water cutoff. Now what Daddy thinks is this low water cutoff is got stuff all on it. So we have to take it off. Because it's sending a signal up to this, look. Up here, that's the auto feeder. So it keeps telling the auto feeder that the boiler has no water, but the boiler does have water. So look, this is what we're gonna do. We shut the electricity off. Okay, do not touch this switch. Do you understand me? Do not touch that. What did I just say? What did I say? What's our big lesson here? We gotta act what? Professional. Say it. Professional.
Yeah.
All around. Not this, just the threads.
Which threads?
These are the threads. You know how you have a soda bottle and the cap spins on, or a water bottle? It uses threads to spin on. Okay, good. Put that away. Good. Do not get this stuff on you. Oh no. I'm just kidding. Just the Hartford loop. And this part's called the equalizer. And it's just done wrong. But that's another job for another day. Okay. Put this back here. So now we're gonna start putting all the wires back. No. That's all, I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is called a wing nut. You see how it has wings?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tighten that. All right, well, Ziola Plumbing fixed the job, right?
No, just one day. Before we had to get that thing out.
Thumbs up, we fixed it.